My name is May. And my channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Welcome and thank you for joining me today to hear of some great available job opportunities. I will be giving you a brief overview of today's job openings. Many of these jobs hires 10+ workers for one posting. Some of these jobs offer flexible hours. They are work from home jobs. This type of work can fit into some busy schedules with ease. There are part-time, full-time, independent contractor and freelance jobs available. Editing and proofreading are flexible, non-phone jobs that are often home-based. Editors work on the structure of documents. Editing corrects issues at the core of writing like sentence construction and language clarity. A thorough editing will help improve the readability, clarity, and tone of the text. Proofreaders spot and correct errors in text. A proofreader will look for misspellings, incorrect, missed punctuation, inconsistencies, textual and numerical, etc. Keep in mind some editing and proofreading companies prefer candidates with college degrees or past experience in the field. You can earn good money at home by proofreading books, blogs, and websites. There is a huge demand for this. And no, you do not need a college degree for proofreading blogs, websites and books. Proofreading is the final stage of the editing process, focusing on surface errors such as misspellings and mistakes in grammar and punctuation. You should proofread only after you have finished all of your other editing revisions. Below are 8 editing and proofreading jobs. 1. Scriber. Hires worldwide. Must be a native English speaker with a bachelor's degree or higher. Experience editing academic texts is also required. It sounds like editing your own assignments in college would probably suffice. Pay is a flat per word rate, but rates vary based on assignment. According to their website, many earn $23 to $25 per hour. 2. Scribendi. Open to US and other countries. Rate of pay not listed, but will depend on word count and turnaround time. 3. Kibben. They do not always have openings for work at home proofreaders, but you can fill out their form to get notified when they do. Kibben copy editors reportedly earn between $17,000 and $19,000 per year. 4. Grammarly. Has occasional openings for remote proofreaders and editors. Grammarly's AI-powered products help people communicate more effectively. Improves word choice. Find and add sources fast. Easily improve any text. AI writing assistant. Fix punctuation errors. Eliminate grammar errors, etc. Earning around $10 to $18 per hour for your work. 5. Enego. They are usually hiring remote editors. However, this is not entry-level. You will need experience and a college education to qualify. According to Glassdoor, Enego pays $12 to $15 per hour. 6. Cactus. They offer highly specialized freelance editing work regularly. According to Glassdoor, the salaries listed there for freelance editors range from $7 to $20 hourly. 7. Cambridge Proofreading and Editing. Open worldwide. Must have at minimum a bachelor's degree. The average pay is between $20 and $30 hourly. 8. American Journal experts. Hires work-from-home editors as remote contractors across various fields. According to Glassdoor, salary is $11 hourly on the low end and as much as $25 hourly on the high end. You can earn good money at home by proofreading books, blogs, and websites. There is a great demand for this. And you do not need a college degree. If you have a good eye for errors in text and know your grammar inside and out, you can do this. Another plus to proofreading for others on the side is that it's non-phone, and you work when and where you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Have a nice day.